Hi, thanks for joining me. My name's Teresa. So, got my video done, went in and took a shower, and went to edit my video and seen the first part of it was missing. So I've had to come out here and redo it again. The sun has come out some. We was really hoping for rain. But I've got some Coleus on clearance, and they'll grow 16 inches tall, 14 inches wide. They are an annual, so they won't survive the winters here. But it's a beautiful yellowish green plant. And this top here, it says all day sun or shade, so I can put it in either in shade or the sun. And right now, for the mornings it'll be in the shade, and in the afternoons it'll be in the sun. It says keep the soil evenly moist, protect from frost. Well, there's no protecting it from frost here. But if you break a piece off, because I did break a piece off one, just take it, put it in a jar, and you can grow you a new plant. Because they're pretty easy to propagate that way. I also bought some Asiatic bucket. Asiatic lilies. Yeah. Don't know what color they are. The blooms have spent for the year. But I got them in the ground. They'll come back next year and be really pretty. Now they are hardy down to a -40. So come fall of the year, I'll just throw a little mulch over to help protect them. And they like full sun. And make blooms spring and summer. So hopefully next year they'll all survive, and there'll be a pretty little group of them there where I put them. Okay, as you can hear, my air conditioner's kicked on. I did buy some other clearance plants. I bought another hydrangea and 3 loropetalum. Keep it as that word. So here's where you'll see me in a different shirt. Because like I said, I got done with editing my video after I got me a shower and seen the front of the video was gone, so I had to redo it. Well, thank you for joining me. Hope you all have a great day and stay safe. The camera cut off on me. A lot of times I don't record watering stuff in, but I do water. I always water when you plant something. And my fertilizer got wet, but I went ahead and used it because I need to use it up real fast before it burns. But let's go get that stuff planted.